Okay, we're at 2711 Delwood for TISA, and we made it all the way out to the city sewer tap out in the middle of the street. Go ahead and pull it back. The line is Orangeburg. You can see it's it's broken at the bottom of it's broken at the top of the pipe. You can see the hole. We're right before the city tap, and there's a chunk of Orangeburg pipe that is missing. Go ahead and pull it back. You can see the tar paper pipe is oblong, oval, really bad. And it goes out of the house. It's cast iron. You can see the condition of the pipe. It goes out of the house, cast iron, then it switches to this tar paper pipe. You can see all the bulges at the bottom of the pipe. My self-leveling just quit working. Normally what we're seeing at the top with the water should be at the bottom. But still, the pipe is in pretty bad shape. It's tar paper. We're out in the middle of the street. We're still in the street right now. You can see the oval shape, really bad. You can see the joint right there is oval. This pipe is only going to get worse as time goes on. You can see it's almost collapsed here. We're right at the curb right now. You can see there it's roots coming in. You can see the condition of the pipe. It's pretty bad. The roots are there coming in. We're coming up the driveway. Okay. I would recommend replacing this whole pipe. Evidently it's flowing right now. I don't know how long it's going to last. It's large enough to get the camera head in, but that's about it. Okay. Okay, we're stopping the recording now.